In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Apple Pay on your iPhone 14. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using Apple Pay with your iPhone 14 or any other iPhone model is extremely simple. The instructions and the steps are going to be the same. So first, you have to set up your Apple Wallet. You need to add a valid card to the wallet to use Apple Pay. So you can either open the settings application and go over to wallet and Apple Pay where you can double check to see if it is enabled, and also you can find the option to add a card, or alternatively just open the wallet application directly. When you go over to wallet and Apple Pay or you open your wallet, you will be able to choose the option to add a card or tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. Choose to add a credit or debit card and follow the on-screen instructions. You will be able to add standard credit or debit cards or prepaid cards from participating banks. Then just use your camera to automatically fill out all of the necessary details or manually input the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once everything is included, you might need to verify that you are the owner of the card by confirming with a text message or with a certain phone call, and once this is done, you will be able to use Apple Pay in stores or in applications for digital purchases. So if you want to use it for contactless in-store payments, just double-click the side button to activate Apple Pay. You will see a menu similar to this one. You will be able to choose your card, and now you just have to hold your iPhone near the contactless reader. By placing your phone physically near the card reader, it is going to go through. You might need to authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID if prompted, and as long as you selected a valid payment method, such as the card that you added, it is going to be used to issue that payment. If you want to do it inside of any apps, just open the application, proceed to checkout, and find the option to use Apple Pay during checkout. By choosing Apple Pay as the payment method, a menu similar to this one will appear, where you can see the summary of the order, authenticate, and use the desired card as the payment method. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Apple Pay iPhone 14. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.